Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide will provide you with instructions to get rid of GalaxySpin pop-up windows from your browser. GalaxySpin is an unwanted extension for Google Chrome. It says that by clicking the button below, you'll be prompted to install the GalaxySpin Chrome extension. By doing so, your browser's default search will be changed and you'll have access to GalaxySpin extension's functionality. All these alerts delivered by GalaxySpin.com pop-ups are absolutely misleading. Additionally, these pop-ups try to force you to enable unauthorized web push notifications. This is when you mistakenly click on this allow button and such pop-ups will start attacking your screen. Now, if you download and install this extension, your important search settings will be hijacked. For instance, this extension can read and change your data on all GalaxySpin.com sites, and your search settings, as it says, will be changed to feed.galaxyspin.com. I'm adding this extension on purpose, and this is in order to help you understand how to get rid of it effectively. So first of all, you go to the browser settings, more tools, and extensions. Now you find this GalaxySpin extension, disable and remove it. Also, we need to remove GalaxySpin from the list of unauthorized web push notifications. Go to the browser menu again, select Settings, now Site Settings and Notifications. You may find this GalaxySpin in the list. Click here and choose Remove. After that, I also recommend that you perform scanning of your Mac with the powerful antivirus, and Combo Cleaner is a good solution in this case. combocleaner.com, that's the website you need to go to. Download the software, and once it is installed, start the application through your Launchpad. The program will update its antivirus database for proper malware detection, and after that is done, click on this Start Combo Scan button to initiate the detailed research of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. As you see, the antivirus section reveals 19 threads found during the scanning. So you may go to this antivirus part and click on Review Results link. This will automatically reveal all threads found during the scanning, and you will be able to find the information about where exactly these threads are located. So afterwards, you may go to the Finder, locate each specific thread, open its location, and remove each thread one at a time. As we said, Combo Cleaner Trial works as a free scanner. It gives a detailed, full report about the location of threads, their quantity, and you may remove these threads manually by going to the specific thread location or automatically, however, with the premium license of the program only.